Happy New Year and welcome to the Alpha Omega Wine Club January 2025 wine tasting experience. This short video contains a guided tasting of your two January Wine Club selections, along with an original recipe that pairs wonderfully with both wines. We invite you to taste along with us as we describe the key characteristics of each wine and share some interesting information about where each wine is from and how it was made. Your January 2025 Wine Club selections are Cabernet Sauvignon Oak Knoll District of Napa Valley 2022 and Cabernet Sauvignon Napa Valley 2020. We're going to taste the Oak Knoll District Cabernet Sauvignon first. If you're tasting along with us, pour about 3 ounces of this wine into a Bordeaux-style wine glass. To appreciate the aromas of this wine, give the wine several good swirls in your glass and then take a strong smell of the wine. This wine has captivating aromas of blackberry, brandied cherries, and raspberry, accented by notes of savory herbs and cocoa. Now, roll the glass again, smell the wine, and take a hearty sip. This is a full-bodied, youthful wine with bright flavors of blackberry compote, plum, and black cherry, supported by notes of coffee, tar, and toast, along with a firm backbone for aging. Alpha Omega Cabernet Sauvignon Oak Knoll District of Napa Valley 2022 is comprised of 97% Cabernet Sauvignon blended with 3% Malbec. The wine was fermented in 50% French oak barriques and 50% in stainless steel tanks, and then aged for 18 months in 30% new French oak. The Oak Knoll District of Napa Valley is a broad valley floor appellation located just north of the town of Napa. Benefits from the cooling influences of nearby San Pablo Bay. The combination of cooler weather and the vineyards we farm in the rocky western part of Oak Knoll District result in a long growing season, produces rich, full-flavored Cabernet Sauvignon. The name Oak Knoll is attributed to acclaimed viticulturalist Joseph Osborne, who called his ranch Oak Knoll, acknowledging the large number of native oaks in the area. A true visionary, Osborne became one of the first Napa Valley growers in the 1850s to plant vinifera grape varieties like Cabernet Sauvignon. Next, let's taste Alpha Omega Cabernet Sauvignon Napa Valley 2020. If you're tasting along with us, pour about 3 ounces of the wine into a Bordeaux-style wine glass. To appreciate the aromas of this wine, give the wine several good swirls in your glass and then take a strong smell of the wine. This wine has aromas of black cherry and cassis, accented by touches of lavender, anise, and forest floor. Now, swirl the glass again, smell the wine, and take a hearty sip. This is a medium, full-bodied, forward wine with supple tannins and flavors of red plum, ripe strawberry, caramel, and licorice. A special library release for our Wine Club members, Alpha Omega Cabernet Sauvignon Napa Valley 2020 is a blend of 83% Cabernet Sauvignon, 13% Merlot, and 4% Cabernet Franc. The wine was fermented in 50% French oak, 50% in stainless steel tanks, and then aged for 18 months in 25% new French oak. The engaging character of Alpha Omega's Cabernet Sauvignon Napa Valley 2020 is a tribute to our philosophy of farming grapes from select vineyards on the valley floor, hillsides, and mountains of Napa Valley that create a diversity of flavors and added complexity to the wine. Chef Daniel Cadan, chef professor at the Culinary Institute of America here in the Napa Valley, has created a delicious food pairing that pairs incredibly well with both wines. Braised beef short ribs with wild huckleberries, chanterelle mushrooms, and coconut squash. The full-flavored, savory flavors of the short ribs match perfectly with the deep, rich flavors of both wines. Inside your club shipment, don't miss the case insert that has our new 2025 winery event schedule and a QR code that will take you to a landing page with additional information about both wines, along with Chef Daniel's recipe. From all of us at Alpha Omega, thank you for being a part of our Wine Club family. We look forward to seeing you soon at the winery.